For day 6 notes, we're going to find the surface area and volume of cones. We have lateral area and surface area. So lateral area is just this part of the cone here. The surface area includes the base, which is a circle, and this part. If you notice, just like cylinders, this part of the lateral area formula is the same here in the surface area. Now, we do have something called L, which stands for slant height. It is different than our height. And if you look here at this example, we will be using Pythagorean theorem at times to either find the height or the slant height. So down in letter A, we're going to go ahead and label what we have. We know that 15 is our radius, that 25 is our slant height, usually drawn with a cursive L to differentiate between a 1 and like a lowercase l. Then our height is unknown. We need to find that first. Okay, so we'll do that when we get to volume. So over here for lateral area, we have pi, radius 15, slant height 25. The directions do say to leave it in terms of pi, so we'll just leave it 15 times 25, and then whatever we have for pi. So 375 pi. For surface area, we have pi r squared, so pi 15 squared. Then our 375 pi will get replaced here. $15 squared is 225 pi plus our 375. We covered in the last video that when you have two terms ending in pi, those are considered like terms. So we add those together and we receive 600 pi centimeters squared. Then over for volume, we see that we've got our radius, so 15 squared, but we don't have our height. So back over here in this space that we have here, we're going to go ahead and do Pythagorean theorem. So we have 15, which is our leg. We don't have our h, which is our other leg. And we already have 25, which is our hypotenuse. So if I work that out, we have 225 plus h squared equals 625. If I solve for h squared, I get 400, and then we would do the square root of both sides, and that gives us our h is 20. Now we can plug 20 in for our h and proceed in solving. So I would do 15 squared, get our 225. I would then multiply the 225 times the 20. Giving us 4,500. And then I would divide that by that 3. And that would give us 1,500 pi centimeters cubed.